Rust at the joints of your metal fence panels can totally wreck the look and strength of your fence if you don't handle it right. So, the first thing you want to do is clean the rusty spots with a wire brush or some sandpaper to get rid of all the flaky rust. After that, wipe down the area with a damp cloth to clear off any dust or debris. Next up, slap on a good anti-rust primer. Make sure it's made from metal and says it protects against corrosion. Let that dry completely before you hit it with paint that's meant for outdoor metal surfaces. This adds a solid shield against moisture. If you're in a super humid or rainy spot, think about using a rust-resistant sealant over the paint for extra protection. Try to do these steps every year or two to keep rust from creeping back in. Also, check your fence regularly, especially after storms, and fix any chips or scratches on the paint as soon as possible since those spots get rusty fast. And if you spot any parts that are way too rusty, swapping them out early can save you from bigger repairs later. One of the biggest mistakes people make with metal fence rust is ignoring small rust spots and letting them spread, which just makes repairs way tougher and more expensive. To fix that, catch rust early by checking your fence a couple of times a year and treat any spots right away. Another common issue is using the wrong paint or skipping the primer, which won't protect the metal properly and leads to rust coming back fast. The fix? Always use a rust-inhibiting primer first, then paint with outdoor metal paint designed for corrosion resistance. Lastly, some folks forget to clean the surface well before applying treatments, so the rust and dirt can still hang around beneath the paint. Make sure you thoroughly clean and prep the metal first to get better results that last longer. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to connect with trusted local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to fixing up fences or other home projects. It also helps contractors find new clients easily so they can keep busy doing what they do best.